sticks. Good. Good.
I was sitting there moving my ears the whole time.
Good.
Thoughts?
I don't know, it feels like when they were coming out of this one, it was harder to pull out of this one than it was this one. So I don't know what that means.
Well, forget what that. Don't attempt to know what it means. Just, ooh, don't do that, it's arthritis.
I can't help it.
Yes, you can. So anytime you want to cry, it's actually spread your hands, tight your fingers, okay, in each one. So this will help you. Instead of you crackling your knuckles, it's just to spread them, tighten each one.
Are we doing that all day today?
Correct. So it actually strengthens up, but you keep your cartilage that's in between. That's what happens because you're actually cracking the bone. That's what happens. And so when you get older, which we all will be, okay, and that starts to deteriorate, the arthritis is going to set in because you don't crack the bone. So in other words, you didn't open it up for the arthritis. So yeah, so this is a hand strengthening exercise, simple to do. And the more you do it, the more strong and the less time you will even feel the need to having to quote unquote crack. Okay?